How you can achieve your affiliate marketing dreams. There is a vast amount of knowledge available when it comes to affiliate marketing. Therefore, you want to stay ahead of the game by continuously expanding your knowledge in the subject. This video is here to help you with some tips that you can use and apply to an affiliate marketing plan. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. To sell products more easily, look for cheap products. Present the price as an excellent deal and compare it to what customers would have to pay in a store. When you start your affiliate marketing venture, take the time to locate affiliates that can offer you the types of products and services that you are interested in promoting. Try to have multiple affiliates. This will give you a variety of income feeds. Don't sign up with any old affiliate. It is important that you do research and select a quality affiliate that you're comfortable to be working with. You should never pay to join an affiliate network. A network is an affiliate marketing group that can link you to many different partners who want to advertise on your website. A good network can enhance the effectiveness of your affiliate program and diversify the products and services you can offer. A network that demands upfront membership fees, though, is never a good network. In affiliate marketing, you will find products you love, as well as merchants and networks that you love to work with. You must remember that the affiliate marketing business is a business, not a romance. If a particular partnership grows unprofitable, you must be prepared to cut it off, no matter how enamored you are with the partner or their products. So go ahead and apply all of the tips that fit into your plan. You want to be as successful as you can, so there's never any shame in looking for pointers. With the tips you just learned, you should be able to apply that knowledge to potentially increase your success in various areas in affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.